So, good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be debating on can we replace teachers with computer? Part 2. Let's begin.
Yes,
If we
If we
overuse
say the
computers, it
if we
can
say
lead
the
to
info, it
crashing
can
of
work
computers.
perfectly.
but there are many programs that help on it.
Tell me one program.
If you search any sum on Google, it doesn't give whole steps with explanation.
He will just give the
Yes, it
answer.
It
does.
gives, it
It
gives
just
Google
gives
here
the
many
has
answer.
every
answers.
It
answer
doesn't
of
give
each
the
question.
whole.
There are
It
many
doesn't
answers to the
clear your
answer.
whole concept. It doesn't
I
clear
also
your
have
Wait,
whole
the
wait, wait,
concept.
example.
wait. For that, you can use YouTube also, no?
Yeah,
In YouTube,
YouTube
teacher is only teaching,
friendly.
na?
In YouTube, teacher is only explaining us. No, teachers makes video and post it in our YouTube. So teacher is also explaining us. No,
No,
It
not only the
there
teachers
are
are
some
computer.
like
dependent on computer. It means teachers are also dependent on computer.
yes,
And computers are also dependent on teachers.
How
No,
can you tell?
nowadays there is also means
we
What?
also have the Brainly
artificial
app. In
intelligence
that you
also.
will
No,
get,
it can also help it.
Brainly also gives the answer only. And
but we get the solution also, no? Whole
Yes,
but there
solution.
is
full
only
Or
written,
explanation
na?
Yes,
else,
No
also.
only
one is to
answer, not
explain.
But
all
in
question.
Brainly, they don't explain you every step of that answer.
There,
They
all
don't
the steps are
explain
just
you.
written there.
Yeah, so there is
Only
also
the
but what
steps are
about the
assistant
written there. We
technology?
have to
that can
understand that.
explain it neatly. You can talk with her.
And you can
She
easily
is
just
also teacher, na?
translate if you like don't understand properly English or etc any language, you can translate it. Computer also provides that, and you can also hear that.
We can
And
use
in
say
computer,
to
we
a teacher
can
that we can please translate to in our mother tongue or Hindi also, our full India's mother tongue. We can say to our teachers also, like we say in our school only. We say to teacher, we didn't explain, please explain in Hindi."
There is a setting we can change the language also from it.
What about the student which who do get shy in asking?
Yeah, most of the student doesn't ask the question yet in the class in the front of the teacher.
so there are textbook too.
In computer, they can ask
Are
personally
not
also.
needed, no. It means the teachers are
Yes,
not
if
needed.
you
Textbooks
if you say
can
like
manage.
textbook, then computers are better
Yeah, then
because
nowadays there are also ebooks also, Kindle.
like
But they are
you
harmful
only
for our eyes.
See, if we take precaution, no, we use it neatly, no, so there is nothing harmful for us.
What
What precaution?
precautions will you take? What precautions will you
What
and
take if you
precautions?
have to study
and
7
Yeah,
if
we
hours?
can,
we
we
You
can,
will just
if
sit
What?
na in front
See,
we
of
can
see,
watch,
computer.
see.
we can maximum
What
watch the
precautions?
computers
See,
in 2 to 3 hours.
See, what
We can put
precautions
the
will you
Bluetooth
take?
on the
What
computer
precautions will you
screen.
take if you have to study whole day or 7 hours at a time? What precautions will you take?
A
If
teacher can't teach 2 or 7 hours continuously.
a teacher, but there are many
But
teachers,
there are
no?
different subjects,
Yes,
na?
there are many. Only I'm not talking about one teacher. There are many teachers in our school, no? Or only one
But
teacher
in
but in
explains
You
all
will
the
from
study only
subjects.
one
from
subject for
No,
seven
but a
hours.
particular teacher can't teach us
but
7 hours continuously. I mean, continuously. A computer can do
wait
it.
But
One
there are
but
computer.
different
Ah,
teachers.
but like by using computer our traveling time is also saved, no?
yes, and we can
Yeah, at
do
home we
two
can
in
see,
one.
and we can also learn many
Some
things from the
students are
computer.
far from their school. They take like the half hour or 45 minutes to come to school. That their time is saved.
See in the village only.
Can I
The
share?
schools are 1.5 kilometer
And there are many
far from
students who
their
come
house.
from bad.
Yes, the village student have to struggle so much to reach their school. Like if the school are
Yeah,
very
Yes,
far.
and you can't,
yes, and there
and
are
you
many
can't say
students
that
who
everyone in the village is poor only.
yes that but there are many students who take bus to go to reach the school. If schools are not open, then the pollution has been at a low
Their
rate.
bus money can be saved, and they can take a computer also.
Yes,
Yes, the
and it
petrol
can also
money,
save our environment.
the van fees.
Yes, but it also saves our environment.
Yeah.
Madat, yes, you can speak.
Can I share? Okay, okay, okay. I am telling that the computer is all in one because in computer we can get entertainment, in computer we can get studies, all things we can get from computer. But from teachers we can only get studies only.
But by
Yeah,
sitting on
and apart
computers
from
for
knowledge, we
long,
can't play. Yeah, apart from knowledge, we can't play with the teacher.
If you are bored by studies, you can just watch some YouTube videos, funny videos, etc.
Yes, and when we are
We
going to
can do
school,
it
we
but by
only
this
can
at
sitting
school
on
only
only. If we,
computer,
that's why
but
PT
in
lectures,
computer we can
music
write in
lectures, and
WhatsApp.
swimming lectures are put in our schools. No, that's why these lectures are
Hmm.
put in our school. So when we are
So
bored,
that
we
we get
can go to our
enjoyment,
PT
Yeah, so
lecture.
entertainment.
now tell
Yes,
you,
we can
you
enjoy
Yeah,
it.
while
No,
in that
going
universe.
But Meet,
No, 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 no.
it
going
is
You,
to school,
and by
yeah,
it is
sitting
one
on
lecture in
computer
whole
for a
week.
long,
but
One
while
lecture
going
in a
to school, yeah, we should also take the books to write. But in computer we can write in WordPad also.
but the PT music lecture they are once in a week. What if the child is bored on some another day, bored to study?
Yes, that's right. That is right point.
It is on a specific day, no?
but due to sitting
but
on computers
in
for a
whole
long
see you
time, they
only
get
see
spelling
in
problems.
we have one or two lectures in all day. We have one or two lectures free also. No, in that time every day all the lectures are not there. We get a PT lecture when our lecture is free. We go to
see, the Google is.
we
But
need
they don't give
a
us
internet
explanation like
connection, a
teachers give us.
mobile, or a device. We need a device or a mobile or an internet connection for that. No, so for that only we need money. It's not totally
But
free. We need money for
instead
that.
of school fees, instead of
But
school
we
fees, you
also
can
get
use that money. No,
yes,
instead of school fees, you
Basically, I
can
have one
use that
point.
money. A computer is like
But
a
school fees
computer.
is cheaper than devices.
See, see,
School
see.
fees are
Not
Wait,
cheaper
wait.
than
only
the
school
devices
I'm
as
computers
well.
telling
are
A,
you,
cheap. Here, here.
a computer can
We
survive till
can't use
it's
cell
on
phones.
you.
We can't use cell phones for Google or work and all. We
No,
can't
no,
use cell
I'm
listen.
phones
telling
and all.
one
But
point.
the computer can survive for a long time. It's like if we minimum time will be 1 2 years, and if 3 4 years like that, no. So 3 4 years school fees can just pay for the computer and for the internet.
See,
See,
see, see,
see,
see.
in
See,
for
Not.
the
I'm
for
telling
that
that.
see in for the poor people, they don't take the highly paid they don't take the highly paid schools
Now
to
here,
go
no.
there. No, they take
Wait. Here to me.
government schools. No, they
And
take
in
the
some
government school,
schools,
and that will be
government
free of cost also.
and in some school,
When you go
government
on the
has also
course,
facility
not
to.
only the.
They also give food to their students. Some
Yes,
But
students
and
don't get
yes,
food.
but
No,
study,
no, no,
but
no.
in the
study.
Let
computer,
us.
computer don't give us food for free of cost. No, computer don't give food for us. But the school's
Are you going
midday
on the
meal
food
is
here?
there.
It is about knowledge, no?
Uh-huh.
but the workers who are working in the computer manufacturer, they get their food from their salary only, na.
Yeah, and not only the computers are costly. In today's time, the classes like Mindspace, they are means so expensive than computers. They are taking 60,000 of year. Did you know that?
But
Yes,
they guarantee
But
you a
all
good
the children are
percentage.
not going
That
in
computer
Mindspace
can't
or
guarantee
big
you
big
that percentage.
institutes. No,
Yeah, they guarantee you, but it is dependent on the children's mind. No, if he is also learning at that 60,000 rupees tuition, and he is play means
he's not doing study, then
So
what?
they tell,
staying at another place, then how we can guarantee that?
but after
see if
seeing the
if a
result of
child
test, they
don't.
tell to their parents about how is your child performing in the class.
Yes, and in computer didn't see that we are learning, or we are means we are learning, or we are doing time pass. No, so it can't give a guarantee that we will pass only and we will learn only. No.
Yeah, but today it is not
Computer
Still,
available.
there are
Today
also
this
many
feature is not
computer also
available.
teaches to
But
elder age people, like people from 20 26 27 to for 40 age people can also learn from computer.
Teachers also
Will teacher
teachers to
will
computer.
will will teacher teach to 40 years
Teachers can also
40-year
teach
person?
them.
Yes, there is night school. There is night
Yeah.
school.
But
yeah, but
if
only
the
in some places only, no.
Not
and
some
who will
places
go
in
to night
every
school,
means.
who will like
Who will
see
go to night
uh,
school?
yes, see, a man is working all the day. He has only the night to sleep and rest, give rest to his body, will he go to the night school to study at the night?
Yeah,
but at the
and in the
so see,
computer you
and
can adjust
he
it
But
he
with the
has
will
software
he?
only,
Night,
no?
no, he has work all
nights are
day.
there
So
made for
he
sleeping.
will study, when he will study with computer, if he has work in all day, when he will study
He
in
can
computer.
he can study side by side. He can study
No,
side by side.
no. See, he can't study
Yeah,
side by, so
and
his
today's
work will be pending. No, his work would be pending. It will affect his
and
job, or it will affect
see,
his
see, see.
career.
Can you tell me which
If we
students
tell
use
about job, today's more of the business are done on the computer only. There is not a teacher for teach you
yes.
about business.
Business also, there are classes online. No, the teacher also, teachers explain us how to
But the work
how
is
to
not
do
done on the
business.
computer, no.
But in
Some
online only, in
shopkeepers keep
computer
entry
only,
in
But
the MS
teachers.
computer can
Excel.
clear
Can
any
you
doubt
put it in the
that you
teacher?
shy to ask to teacher. Computer can clear any doubt that you shy to ask to teacher. You have to just type.
No, computer just show the steps. It just show the steps how the sum is solved. It does not
Yes,
explain.
it
It
does
just
not,
Explain. It
teach
does
it
you.
not
doesn't
explain the
explain.
steps.
No, it does not explain. That means, if you are in science, you are not understanding one topic, and you are shy to ask the teacher. In computer, you can't. Computer does not tell you that. He will not explain what is this and what topic is
No,
this.
it
It
will
just it
explain. He
just
will
it just
explain.
gives information
If
about it. It just
you have to
gives
ask
information.
properly.
What about other
No, they
subjects
have
that you
But
can't
they
search
can't
on
qualifications
the
go
for
on
that.
computer?
computer and teach
They have
some students.
qualifications.
Can
To
you tell
pass
me
that
which
Yeah.
test,
subject
What
we
about other
can't search
subjects
on
like Hindi and Marathi and
Hindi,
all?
Marathi, English,
we can also search it from
And their
Google.
grammar. Leave
English.
English.
Huh?
English
And the
you can
most
get
important
anywhere.
we
and in
can
computer
What
you
about
can't
Hindi,
explain
Marathi
you
and all?
Sanskrit. You search everything on
Yeah,
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit also,
computer can't
yeah.
explain Sanskrit and
No,
all.
see the
I
computer
have
is
written a presentation on Sanskrit from Google.
What?
the calculation is done fast.
I have written the presentation from Sanskrit in Google from Google.
Just tell us some site through which you can translate the Sanskrit sentence into Marathi, Hindi, whatever language you want.
There are so many apps in the Google Play Store. If you search it, there are so many.
I have searched many apps. They do not work for translating the whole sentence.
No, no, no. But if there are thousand apps, the one app can also work. No, how can it
I have
say that?
downloaded nearly
No,
15
nothing is
apps
working.
and they are not working. I have downloaded nearly 15 apps, but they are not working to clear my doubt.
So it means you
Can I tell?
only drink a one
I
spoon
will
of
give a
water
app later.
from the ocean. It don't mean that it is salty or it is salty or it is
About what? About what?
And
What?
and the teacher will teach you the things which are in your portion.
Yes, and
You
from
can
out.
get to
yes,
know
but Google also teach
everything
out of the
from
Can
the
I say?
syllabus.
Can I
computer.
say? Can I say?
On computer, we can learn out of syllabus also. No, we got more knowledge about it. The teacher will teach you only what the thing is coming in the portion.
Yes.
Sometimes in
But
exam
if
there
you are
is out
not
of question
clear,
also.
but if you are not clear with the portion you are having, then what will you do by learning the knowledge that you don't have? It's in your
Hmm.
portion.
Yes.
Hello.
Computers. Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yes, Brahma, that you wanted to speak, no?
yes. I am telling that teacher only teach one subject. If we want to learn other subject, so the same teacher cannot teach all now. But
But there is not only one teacher, na?
that only. But only one teacher
But
can't
one
do.
computer can
No,
teach you
you
so much,
listen
no?
first. You listen first. Oh, one teacher can't do everything, but one computer can do everything.
but we have different teachers for different subjects. No, we don't have only in whole school. We don't have only one teacher to explain to all. No, we don't. We have many teachers.
There are
Yeah, so
individual
there
teachers
are
for
different
individual
apps also for
subjects.
different subjects also. There are different apps for different subjects also.
But
Leave the app, but one computer can teach you all the subjects.
that's what
Yeah,
I
and
am
one
telling.
teacher
That's what
can't
I
teach
am
you all
telling.
Hindi,
the
Marathi.
Teachers.
Hindi, Marathi, Sanskrit, English, all.
If the teacher is teaching Hindi, then can he or she teach Sanskrit?
So there
But
He
is
or she
other
uh,
teacher
have
na
also
for
but
teaching
different
Sanskrit.
but
subjects, no?
computer can give information about all the subject, but it cannot explain it to us. No, it gives
See,
information.
there
I
are
agree.
some
It
website
gives
they
an
can explain us.
information.
Explain us.
Which
They
which
The
can
website?
AI,
give.
see
They
see
can
see
explain
in
in sentence.
that side, in that side only teachers only explain to us. No,
But in this case, artificial intelligence can also help us, no?
see, in every
But
In
computer,
future,
in
artificial
there
every
would be
side, there
intelligence
is no
can't.
teachers.
artificial intelligence. No
No, in
artificial
future there
intelligence is
would
there.
not be the teachers. There would be only artificial intelligence to teach the
Yes,
children
yes.
or the people.
But they can't. But AI can't explain like teachers.
So we'll wind up today's debate here only. Computer versus teachers part 2 ends here.